My friends, this is a case, this gentleman, aged about 52 years. He has been suffering from abdominal disorders. Flatulence and dyspepsia is running with him every day. It aggravates from 4 p.m. and onwards, so afternoon aggravation, and all complaints are right-sided. He has been suffering from right-sided headache, pain in the epigastric region which belongs to right side, and pain in the lower abdomen in the flank region that is also belongs to right side. So he has been suffering from gallbladder polyp. His investigation USG shows three gallbladder polyp and liver is fatty. So hepatobiliary disorder. Hepatic system disorder is a symptom of lycopodium. Lycopodium has the site of action of in liver and gallbladder, the spheres of action, and right-sided complaint. And all complaints aggravates from 4 p.m. and onwards. Your complaint aggravates from 4 p.m. and onwards. Not only that, he has tremendous desire for sweets and warm food. You prefer sweets and warm food, and in mentally he is irritable. All the contradiction aggravates him, and he's some dictatorial attitude. Whatever he decides, he thinks that's final, and he ignores, he disobeys the other's decision. So this mental dictatorial, this contradiction aggravates this irritable temperament, desire for sweets and warm food, and right-sided medicine, and hepatobiliary disorders, all symptoms, if we look through the totality, the symptoms purely and simply goes in favor of lycopodium. One of our friend homeopath has prescribed 15 medicines, 16 medicines, polypharmacy. And polypharmacy not the way of cure the patients. The patient he has treated for 2 years by 15, 20 medicines. But the patient is not well-being. You are not well-being. And that's why you have come to me. So what I want to say you, what I want to teach my juniors, my students and my followers, constitutional treatment is the only way of homeopathic treatment. The holistic approach, the totality approach, the integrated approach is the only way of selection of correct constitutional prescribing, and there is no other way. There is no alternative way. There is no alternation in the homeopathy. Only take the symptoms and write the symptoms, fulfill the case taking in the ideal way. The present complaints, the past history, the family history, the personal history, and the general symptoms, which belongs to desire, aversion, thirst, sweat, appetite, sleep, dreams, thermal reaction, casus coliberi, deload nod, healing of wound, hemorrhagic diathesis nod, and moreover the mental symptoms is the only guide for homeopathic treatment. This much I can say you boldly, strongly and confidently, my friends. Please believe me, depend on me, rely on me. And not only me, all the pioneers have told the same thing. Once again, I have repeated.